Back to being a pillow, I guess. I said pillow, not a couch.
You want me on the couch? Hey, I left you enough room this time.
Oh yeah, right there. Okay, we're good.
Hi.
Hi.
Hey, Steven says hi.
Loves you, Chauncey. Hi, Steven.
Hey.
Oh, shush you. You're alive. You'll be kicking stuff.
What?
I'm gonna spit on your hand.
Spit and I'll pull hair.
Ugh. Ow.
That wasn't me.
Who has my hair still? Who still has my hair?
Rosa? No, it's not me, it's Rosa!
Hi. Are we being videotaped twice? Or are we in 2 minutes? Oh.
It's only been 2 minutes? Holy crap, it feels like it's been longer.
Seriously. Okay, are you still listening to music too?
Kind of. I kind of want to go on the balcony.
Go jump off the balcony. Let's go
But
see.
I don't want to die. I don't have wings.
Drink a Red Bull.
She's caught a precious bird! I'm burning!
Rip it up!
Tweet!
Do it, Leanne. I dare you to.
With your foot. Rip his hair out? No.
She's more kinder.
Something got ow! Ow!
Dang it, keep moving.
No! No! Ah!
That's not me. That is not me.
Ow! See, look, it ripped out his hair. Happy now?
Oh.
Hey, at least I only got one strand.
Yeah, but that one feels always
I
itching.
got hair stuck in my glasses. No!
And you slid off.
Yes, I slid off.
And now your hair is a total mess.
Yes, sex hair.
Oh, I'll serve up some fuckface too, and then on that
Okay, go for it. I dare you to. Hi, Leanne.
That was a very manly noise.
Oh, yeah, definitely.
Uh-oh, I
There's no
just
one
said...
manly in this room.
Oh, that's awkward. I just said wonderfuck to my cousin. I said wonderful, I said wonderfuck.
Oh my God.
What is he saying to this?
He hasn't replied and it's been 14 minutes.
He's probably like, what the fuck are you doing?
Oh my God, we're gonna eat. That's funny.
Oh my god, it's hilarious.
Oh, that's awkward.
I love you.
4 minutes in, guys.
Are you going to continue?
Hi!
Wait, Chauncey, are you going to put this on YouTube by any chance?
Yep.
Bitch. I will go for your neck. If anybody hears me, Eileen Vermeulen hates her neck
Look her
being
up on
touched.
Facebook.
And Rose loves her neck being bitten, her hair pulled.
You want a demonstration?
No! We don't want a demonstration. Someone who likes his own selfie. Leanne! Your own hair being pulled, mister. And your inner thigh.
I love my inner thighs being touched.
And then Leanne is the virgin that doesn't know nothing yet.
Yet.
And probably, I probably won't know for the next 20 years.
Damn, woman.
Someone's holding back.
Well, no, I'm not allowed to have a boyfriend until I'm 30.
Oh, boy.
Fucking A.
I thought it was just so you were out of... Oh, that's right, but then you're doing...
She's doing people in the bathroom without people knowing.
No, she's not
Glory hole!
Still a virgin, proud of it.
Ah, mother...
Here we go again.
Tickle, tickle, tickle.
I want to tickle you.
No,
No, no tickle. No tickle.
Rosa, help me!
No tickle. No, we just finished this. Why are we continuing? I want to tickle you. This is rape.
I'm not your belly button. Someone's calling you.
Y'all
Hold up, what I go? That shit was expensive. That's awkward. You knocked out my tooth! The bitches! They knocked out my tooth!
You love us, shut up.
Your phone vibrated.
I can't do it. Ah.
Boobies. Look at this.
Boobies. Boobies, really?
That's the kind of friends I have.
Boobies!
Leanne, this is your brother right here.
What? What?
Luis!
That's Luis?
No, look what he said. Look what he said.
Eric came to see
Luis?
you.
Yes.
I don't know why.
Oh, hi Eric, my baby.
What's up? Boobies, huh?
Wait, tell him hi. And then I wish I could kiss him in the chin.
Why is Eric here?
Because he likes you. Go get him. Go get him, Matt. You know you want him.
Hold up. How you doing?
Hi, Poppy.
Oh, Loki. Thank you for bringing Eric.
Come here, yo.
What should we say?
I don't know.
I want to know my big brother.
No, he loves you. He just ran up the stairs all the way to the
Please.
We'll go, please.
Yes.
Thank you, though.
Ah.
What does my big brother say? Oh, no, he takes her little brother to us.
You have a little brother?
Yes, and I have a big brother. Go ask Mom who they are. She'll know.
That's mean. Wait, that's mean.
Yeah.
Once again, I'm torn to pieces, and I recommend sometimes you want to one.
I can just snap your little neck.
Back off the
I
puppy.
tend to see the tears I cry. The nature eyes. You're now 8 minutes in.
Stop recording us already.
No.
Not that interesting anymore. This one's talking about boobs.
And Wonderfuck.
And Wonderfuck. And I'm playing with the puppy on the ends over there doing something.
Alright, what?
Wow.
So what should we say?
He told me to fuck off.
Really?
Yeah.
Stop telling the poor boy he has his own hair then. Come here. Eric! Eric!
Oh my gosh, you're peeing! Oh no. Oh my gosh, I think he's about to pee me in.
What?
I think he's getting ready to pee. I've had a dog piss on my bed.
I was going to say, what's the